Hello, my name is Folanyo and I'm from the Creators Hub GH, and we are an IT development company and we do tutorials at the side. We want to be able to educate people on how to do various things that are peculiar to Ghanaians. But then today we want to see how we can add Mazuma. Mazuma is a payment gateway here in Ghana. We want to see how we can add that to our WordPress website, specifically e-commerce WordPress website, WooCommerce. Mazuma helps you to accept payment from from people that are using a card. So if you have an e-commerce website and you want people to pay via mobile money, MTN mobile money, Vodafone Cash, or airtel-tigo Cash, you can just add Mazuma to your website and then people will be able to pay with that before you probably deliver the goods or whichever way. And Mazuma, they are great people, they are great developers, and their services are cool. Their charges are also very moderate, and you can just add that to your WordPress website. They also provide other plugins or other modules for other CMSs, for example Magento. So we can just have a look at that in some other tutorial. So let's go to our computer and then see how it's done. Okay, for the next tutorial we are going to be using Mazuma to accept payment in our website, an e-commerce website built with WordPress WooCommerce. So here is the Mazuma sign-in page, dashboard.mazuma.com/login.php. So first of all, you need to create an account. For those of you who do not have an account, you need to create an account to be able to accept payment. So after creating the account, we log in. I've already created an account, so let's log in. And I'm going to be using my old website, tutorial.creatorshabgh.com, for this tutorial, and this is where we are going to see how Mazuma works and how payment is accepted through Mazuma. First of all, let's go to mazuma.com/developer and then there. So for WordPress websites which utilize the WooCommerce e-commerce plugin, Mazuma offers an easy to use plugin that integrates the Mazuma payment option into the website. Okay, so here's our dashboard. Zero transactions. Okay, number of transactions 3, successful transactions 0, failed transactions 0, and this is my balance. No one should come and look at my balance. Okay, so first of all, we need to install Mazuma plugin. So let's go to plugins. Set this. Okay, so I already have Mazuma somewhere. Nope, I don't. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, so I've already installed Mazuma. So let's deactivate and then delete. I'll install it again for you to see. But before that, let me just pause quickly and then. Okay, so as you can see, I've deleted payment gateway. So I've deleted that. And but then Mazuma did a really good job of providing the steps that you need to be able to add Mazuma plugin to your WordPress WooCommerce application. And so all the steps are here. So I'm just going to follow them as it is. First of all, we already have our website. So let's go to the next step, which is in your WordPress admin dashboard, search for WooCommerce Mazuma payment gateway. So let's just copy this. So add new. and then paste that here. Control V. Excellent. So you can see that it's already here. So let's install. Activate. So now you go to WooCommerce settings. So we've already done the activation. Um, okay. So let's go to WooCommerce settings and it should be part of our payment options. Okay, so we have Mazuma here. So manage. Okay, so we enable Mazuma, and that is how come you see it if you are checking out. And so head over to dashboard and create a Mazuma account. Fill out the verification form when you are done. Log on to your account dashboard and get your API key. I've already created an account, so I already have the API key and the other details. So here's my dashboard, API key. So this is my API key. Just copy and then paste. Yeah. So return page. Maybe you should just return back to the shop page so that people can continue shopping. Okay, so that's basically what it is. That's the entire process. That's It's not so difficult. It's not cumbersome. Um it's not too difficult to do. You just have to create an account, get install your plugin, get your API key, provide your API key on your website, and then that's it. But then there are a few other steps. So according to regulations, all the payment plugins now have to provide. If you want to use any of the payment plugins now, you have to provide some relevant documents. You have to provide some business documents for them to be able to process your account. It's like getting a merchant SIM from MTN. You need to provide some documents for you to be given that. So that's what it is. So you can speak to them. Their website is just right here. You can just go to their website. You can just go to their website, have a look at what they have to offer. Their rates are also moderate, so you can easily add that to your website and then get people to pay with mobile money, MTN mobile money. But for those of you who would like to code yourselves, you can see the API documentation here. I'll be working on that for various languages as time goes on. I'll be doing PHP, so I'll be doing Android as well. I'll probably do JavaScript. I'll probably do I don't know, whichever language comes to mind when, or after my research, the number of languages that people are using most in Ghana, then I'll do those particular languages. But for now, it looks like a lot of people are using the content management systems, especially WordPress, WooCommerce. So that's why my focus is mainly here. So that's it. Um, Give me a call. Okay, no, don't call me. Send me an email if you need any help, or you can just leave a message under the video, and I promise I'll get back to you within 24 hours. So yeah, all right. So okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try first. So let's go to our website, tutorials.creatorsappgh.com. Okay, so currently we have one product. Let's go to shop. This is just a dummy website. Don't look too much. Don't be bothered about how it looks. So let's look at. We just want to be able to see whether we can see Mazuma as part of our payment options. We might not be able to check out because I've not provided all the informations and all the things that I need for my account to be valid for me to be able to get people paying. But then
This is like the most difficult part. If you are done with this and they have given you the go ahead, that okay, you can now go live, then that. So you can see Mazuma here as part of our payment options. Let me see what happens. Okay, so it redirects you to Mazuma. But then since we do not have all the details, so you select mobile money. Okay, so mobile money number, um, 054652 network MTN, and then pay. This will not work as I said. Yeah, so that's it. But then at least it brought us here. But then you need more for it to work. You need to get the guys there to do some few things for you to get it working. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll close this and then get back to you soon.